So this one here, we've got B and D, which are on the circumference of the circle. This has been labelled as 8. The length of A to C is 19. So I'm going to label that one on there. And the area of this triangle is 70 centimetres squared. And we need to work out the area of this here. In order to work out the area of the whole circle, we need to know what fraction of this circle we've got. We need to know how many degrees this is. So that's our first step that we need to do. So in order to work out what that is here, I'm just going to draw that triangle out just up here so we can see what we're working with instead of getting mixed up with the triangle. So this is 8, this is 19, and we've got this angle that we want to work out, and we know that the area is 70. So in order to work out this angle here, we're using the area, because we know that area, it's in the front of the formula booklet, is equal to a half AB sine C. Okay. C, the large C, referring to the angle. So let's start by labelling the triangle now. So we've got this would be our C, the angle, which means that this will be little c. And then you've got A and B, and then you can label your large A and your large B on the diagram as well. So we know that the area is 70, and that is equal to a half of A, which is 8, times B, which is 19, times sine C, which is what we're trying to work out. So we've got 70 is equal to 4 lots of 90, which is 76 times by sine C. We can divide both sides by 76. Just tell me that 70 over 76 is equal to sine C. So if we now do the inverse sine of each side, that's going to tell me what C is equal to. So C is equal to inverse sine of 70 over 76, which is 67.08, and we can now label that on the diagram here. So we know this is 67.08. And we now need to work out what the area of this part is here. So to work out the area of a circle, we would be doing pi r squared. We don't want the whole circle, we want 67 degrees out of it. So we want 67.08 degrees out of the 360 degrees in total which we have in the circle. We want that fraction of the area, and to work out the area we'd be doing pi times the radius, which is 8 squared. And then we can just put that into the calculator. So the area is 67.08 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 64, which gives 37 point, and we have 12 up to round it to, so we'll put 2 decimal place 46, and we're in centimetres, so it's going to be centimetres squared.